Hello guys and welcome back in this new video where we're going to talk about compile warning. Let's watch this code that I've displayed right there. So I've included input output stream on the top using namespace std, okay, and my main function ha has an integer declare a variable integer declared on the top here, my age, and I'm running the cout function in order to display I am 20-year-old and return 0. You can see here that I've defined my variable, my age, but I didn't use it on my code, right? And you can see the yellow unused variable, my age, that is showing up already here. Okay, this is a warning. Okay, there is another way to see a warning. I can make a right click here and click on compile, and the warning will always show up on the compiler on the compiler output. You see, warning, unused variable my age. So you have defined a variable but you didn't use it. This is one of the warning compiler case that we can have. Okay, and another one that we can have also is, we can do that. Replace it. I'm going to replace the variable directly here. My age. Okay. So right now you can see that when I'm save it, I still have a warning here. Variable my age is uninitialized. When used here, fixed available. So if I'm trying to compile this as well, you're going to see the same output showing up. You see, warning, my age is used uninitialized. Okay, so I've defined my variable but I didn't initialize it. This is the issue. Normally, if I'm trying to run this, I'm not going to have a good output. Even if my compiler said that there's zero error, if I build it, everything going to show that you're going to show that everything looks good, but the output is not going to be a good output. Let's do that. Run and execute. You see, I am 0 year old. So the compiler, the system just chose a random integer and drop the 0. So it's some kind of garbage. Okay, so this is another kind of compile warning that you can have. You can see, if I do that, I'm going to take another example right now. Let's say that I am, let's keep this like that, and let me initialize my integer right there, maybe to 50. Okay, my age, I've initialized to 50. Right now it's still not going to work even if I've, you see, unused variable my age, because yeah, even if I've declared it, the only way that I can avoid that error is come back here and replace everything normally here, like, if I'm doing that now, I'm save it. You see, there's no more warning. And normally, if I reboot my project now, you're going to see that everything going to look good. My output going to be 15. I am 50-year old. Yeah, I didn't. Normally, I should create a space here, also right there. So, rebuild project should clean and rebuild it. So I can execute it again. I am 50-year old. So it's just awesome. So that's it a little bit about compile warning. I would like to share that with you in order to make your code looks better every time. So keep attention to all the warning that you're gonna have. If you have learned something new, give a thumbs up and see you on the next video. Bye.